Let's explore the jungle with our animal friends. Fun, laughter and learning all in one playful adventure for kids. As we wander deeper into the jungle, we meet a cheerful elephant who sprays water with its trunk, creating a sparkling rainbow. Look! A family of monkeys is swinging from tree to tree, playing and laughing in the bright sunny jungle. And over there we spot a cute baby sloth hanging lazily from a tree branch, grinning at all our new friends. Next to us flows a sparkling river where colourful fish swim joyfully as we play and splash water with our friends.